Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of to the today's newspaper on Thursday, 17th, August the 17th, 2023. We have here seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, aka jigsaw sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, too much for me. It's time consuming and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. First one, 3 star Sudoku, number 6938. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot for a 3 stars puzzle. 30 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication for the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Should be a 0 stars, and for 0 stars, I need to be faster than 15 or 14 minutes. All right, so let's get started. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in row between the middle row, the only place left for 6 should be there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3, oh, 3 should be there. Oh, I marked this in a wrong box. Apologies. Apologies. Well, in the wrong box. Could be happen. Could be happen. And then, well, then, let me see. Which number can I pick? Well, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Then. Yeah. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Here another 5. Here we need a 5. Okay. Then. Need a 3 here, the 9 here, the 2 here, 2 and the 4. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, 9. 1, 9, and need also a 4 here. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 1 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Alright, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. The 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We share 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. We have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 5. Alright. And now, the 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. Then 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. Second row, 1 of the missing number in this row. Second row is number 6. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. Here can be a 6 because we have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. It's the only place left for the 6. Should be there. Then. Well, 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6. Wait. Nope, I cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. How about the number 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in this row, third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 2. Now I can continue with the 6. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 6. Okay, how about the number 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. Only place level for should be there. 4 4 4 4 cannot continue with the 4. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the first row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be there, could be here. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so the row between the second row only place level the 7. Should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. One box left in the third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, only place level 4 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers, the last 2 numbers, same numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars a puzzle because we have 30 printed digits. Well. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.